Before we dive into the amazing world of blockchain, I would like to share a few words with you about myself and my fascination with this technology and its business applications. My professional background is in finance. I have worked in investment banking across Europe and Asia on cross-border deals with parties from all over the world. Along the way, I have always been interested in innovations, new technologies, and venture capital. With time, this interest only grew stronger. I started actively investing in startups as a business angel. I have been quite proactive at that, working closely with these ventures and their management teams. Having been involved in the startup ecosystem, I realized that blockchain is the technology with the highest potential to impact, disrupt, and change the world for good. The financial sector hasn't been impacted much by recent advancements in technology that have already shaped many other industries. The advent of the Internet has changed the world in major ways. Take retail, media, and telecommunications, for example, and think what e-commerce, social media, and smartphones did for them. Amazon, Google, and Facebook, which were startups not too long ago, are among the biggest companies in the world now. If we look again at finance, it hasn't been changed that much by the Internet. Yes, we have a couple of innovations like online banking and peer-to-peer lending. We also have PayPal, which has grown substantially. But these are just some innovations on the surface. The core financial infrastructure and all related business processes have remained largely unchanged for over a half a century. Credit cards and ATMs, commonly used today, were the last major financial innovations that reached mass adoption, and they were introduced in the 1950s and 60s. Not to mention capital markets, where it still takes at least 3 days to settle a transaction. Thus, the financial sector has remained largely stagnant and lagging behind in terms of innovation. Well, I strongly believe that we are currently at the beginning of something as big as the Internet. Blockchain technology is the Internet of money, the Internet of value. Its brilliant innovation is creating decentralized financial infrastructure and secure value networks without the need of trusted intermediaries. This has an enormous potential to completely reshape the financial sector. And it won't stop there. Blockchain has useful applications in many other areas too. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? So let's go ahead now and start our blockchain journey together.